Next up is guided notes and helpful resources. We've already talked about the notes and how you can find guided notes for each lesson in the class, and you can submit those to use on your DBA as well as count as 5 points of your grade. So this is just another place to access or find them, Module 1 through 6, and just remember you have to make a copy once you open the file. But the other place that's probably the most important site of your English class is the English Help site. So again, just clicking right here and clicking the English Help site will take you to all of the modules 1 through 6. Let's say you're starting in Module 1, and let's say that you're stuck on Lesson 1.02. So you would scroll down till you find the assignment you're stuck on, and it tells you not only what assignment to submit, but also resources, sometimes videos, where to find the stories that are contained in the lesson, questions, little tips and tricks to help you. So a ton of resources are here on every single assignment. The other thing is at the end of each of your lessons in the class, there is the Microsoft Word version of the assignments. So some of these assignments are just quizzes, so you would just click on here and complete them, and some of them are templates that you have to complete or graphic organizers. At the end of every lesson, you will find a Microsoft Word document of the assignment, but if you are more of a Google Doc version person, then you would go to the help site. So for example, let's say you're working on lesson 102, which I know has a template you have to complete for the assignment. This is a Word document. It's the last page of the lesson. So you would open that and have the Word document of it. You can open it and you can save it as a file and upload it that way. But if you are more of a Google Doc version, then go to that help site, find that lesson. Let's say we're doing 102. Here's a Google Doc version. And same thing, anytime it's a Google Doc, you would do File, make a copy of your own. So then you can type right on it. And once you're done with it, and you typed all of your answers and you feel like you got it all done and correct and good to go, then the next thing you would do is do File, Download as a PDF, and you could save it to your desktop or a file, wherever you like to save your documents to. So you would save it. I like to save it, and even tells you right here, click File, make a copy, rename it, complete the document, save as a PDF, and upload it. I like to save mine to my desktop. And then you would just go into your assessments. Once you're ready to submit it, click on that 102. It looks like I've already submitted 102, so I'm just going to pick a different one that I know. And you would scroll down to where it says Add File. You would find that document that you just completed, wherever it's at. I'm just going to do a different one. Open, and then you would submit it for grading. So that is another positive feature of using the English Help site. And again, there's many videos that go along with it. A lot of kids, when they start 1.02, they're like, where's the stories? Because it doesn't tell you. They're right here, the short story options for 102, and then you can click here to get to them. And then in lesson module 4, I know it also asks you to read the 3 text sets that go along with it. So they're also right here. Just a lot of good information on this help site. So feel free to use that and use your guided notes.